single player who can match up with James Yap. So we've got to find ways to neutralize these great individual players.
We're definitely gonna have to go in there ready to play. James hit that big shot last game, so I know they're feeling good about their chances. So it's gonna be important for us to really come in and play well.
We're in need for a desperate win. It doesn't matter if it's Pure Foods or whomever. It's just we just have to figure out a way to win and get back on the winning track.
We really have to rededicate ourselves to stopping players and stopping the other team, and that's really putting a big onus on our defense.
Well, yan ang mission ngayon ng Togetex. Try to stop guys like James Yap and Reda Ralimi and Kirby Raimundo. Try to get their defense back on the winning track. And that defense produces a steal. And here's Don Beldelano with a TM3.
Coach Shot Reyes talked about defense after that timeout nung nakita natin na feature. At ito, nakikita natin yung depensa ng Togetex. Full court pressure. You know, they changed up their defense, and right now, nagbubunga yung full court pressure nila.
Here's James Yap on the move. James Yap all the way, no go. Bothered by Terrence Leather. Apat ang inahabol ng full fouls. Here's Cardona.
And again, Pure Foods going into a quick shot wherein sila lang 1-on-4 situation ang nakikita natin. 1-on-3 situation.
Delano once again. At that time, rebound para kay Raimundo. 8.5 to go in the third quarter, and they forgot about Peter Jones-Simon.
One of the few times Togetex unable to set up their full court pressure. At hindi nila nalaman kung saan si Peter Jones-Simon. Peter Jones-Simon again sneaking away for that layup.
Here's Alipi, getting a nice pass mula kay Cardona. Keeping the full fouls within striking distance. 8 minutes to go in the third quarter. Pure Foods ahead, 59-55. Ajoria to Simon on the right side. 8 to shoot para sa Pure Foods. Here's Villanueva with nowhere to go. 3 to shoot. Roger Yap, obligado tumira. And basket counts.
Blocking foul, number 42, Don Belano. That is his first personal.
First personal laban kay Belano.
Time running down, emergency situation para kay Roger Yap. He gets the foul. That is a favorite shot. That is a favorite shot of Roger Yap. Habang pababa na, kailan niya kukunin yung banda. And the Pure Foods needed that basket because this third quarter has been going the way of Togetex.
Here's Cardona for 3. Short. Offensive rebound para kay Delano. Bagong shot lock para sa Togetex. They go to Leather against Villanueva. Terrence Leather. Carey tries to swing it over to Cardona. Tapped out by James Yap.
But still a lot of time on that clock dahil nakakuha siya ng offensive rebound. Still a lot of time with 14 seconds.
Here's Leather. Triple team. Somehow got the ball back and scored underneath. Leather now with 25 points.
Well, you can say what you want about Terrence Leather, but this guy is intense. Kita natin na wala na sa kanya yung bola. Hinabol niya pa rin at nakuha niya mula pa sa kamay ni Kirby Raimundo.
It's another interception here. Leather on the move. Leather, no. Kevin is good. 27 points for Terrence Leather.
But the guards of Pure Foods have to make themselves available. Last couple of times kung saan sila nagta-turnover, napupunta yung bola sa kaya nila Enrico Villanueva at ni Kirby Raimundo.
Titigan na naman yun. Just a 2-point lead para sa Pure Foods. And James Yap loses the ball. Sends it over to Villanueva. Peter Jones-Simon with an open shot. TM3 para kay Simon to keep the phone fouls at bay.
Here, Togetex had a chance already. Maganda na yung depensa nila. They would have had a chance to tie. But again, Peter Jones-Simon, that's already his 5th point in this quarter.
Too much muscle that time from Terrence Leather, who now has 29 points.
Mismatch at the post. Pure Foods has to decide. Without Reda Ralimi, are we going to double ito si Terrence Leather as another turnover?
And Cardona gets the steal and the layup. And it's just a one-point ball game. Purefood sitting on a precarious one-point lead, 64-63. What a shot by Roger Yap to extend the lead to 3. Kanina 12 points ang lamang ng Purefoods, but the Phone Pals with a furious rally here in the third quarter, led by Terrence Leather.
And he has been taking over, although he missed that shot.
Here's Villanueva. Sidesteps against Cardona, and he gets it off the glass.
I have to say that Purefoods was lucky to get away with that one. Not really the situation that you want. Enrico Villanueva, fast break opportunity on the side. Could have been called for that offensive foul, but was able to sneak away from his defender.
That is good for Terrence Leather.
Terrence Leather really taking matters into his own hands here. At may technical foul na tinawag si referee Garchi Ferrer. Here's what happened.
But this is the mismatch right here. They've been going here. Terrence Leather has been unstoppable.
Technical foul on number 21, Kirby Raimundo.
And Kirby Raimundo got called for that foul. Tapos nadagdagan pa dahil tatawagan rin siya ng technical foul.
Matt Cardona will shoot the technical free throw.
So technical foul on Kirby Raimundo. That's why Cardona is on the line. Technical free throw is good.
Substitutions on El Salvador for Kirby Raimundo, Jimmy Alabama for Lopez Delano.